We continue now at the top of Daf Kuf Dalet Amud Beis in Meseches Pesachim. This is Pesachim Daf 104b. The Gemara at the top of the Yom, it says, V'les hilchas kavase. The halacha is not like him, and Rashbam over here says, V'les hilchas kavase ke Rabbi Yoshua ben Chananya. The halacha does not follow Rabbi Yoshua ben Chananya, the previous Amud, who said that we say at the end of Havdalah both Mekadesh Yisrael and Hamavdil ben Kodesh L'chol, L'fisha ein chos min b'shtayim, because you can't do a chasima with two different phrases. But Perek Shlosha Sha'achlu, that's what it says in Perek Shlosha Sha'achlu. Rather, what is the halacha? Ela k'Shmuel d'halayti Allah d'Rav. Rather, the halacha is like Shmuel, that we say Hamavdil ben Kodesh L'chol, and the way that we know that is because Rav's opinion, it was cursed on the previous Amud, meaning we don't follow that opinion. Instead, we follow the opinion of Shmuel. And the Gemara continues with a story. Ula ikla lepumbedisa. Ula went to Pumbedisa. Amar le Rav Yehuda le Rav Yitzchak berei. So Rav Yehuda said to Rav Yitzchak his son, Zil amti le kalkola depiri. Go bring him a basket of fruits as a gift. V'chazi hechi avdil. And go see how he makes Havdalah. Let's find out how Ula makes Havdalah. So lo azal, so he didn't go. Instead, shadar leila Abaye. Instead, he sent Abaye to go instead of him. Kiyasa Abaye, when Abaye came, Amar le, he said to him, Hechi Amar. So what did he say? How did he make his Havdalah? So Amar le, so Abaye reported back to him, Baruch Hamavdil ben Kodesh L'chol Amar v'sulo. He said, Baruch Hamavdil ben Kodesh L'chol, and that's all he said. Asa l'kamei diavua. So now, Rav Yitzchak came to his father. Again, Rav Yehuda had initially told Rav Yitzchak, his son, to go visit Ula. So now Rav Yitzchak came to his father. Amar le, his father said to him, Hechi Amar. What did he say? How did Ula make Havdalah? Amar le, so he said back to his father, Ano lo azli, I didn't go myself. Ano shadrise le Abaye, I sent Abaye. V'yomar li, and he said to me, Hamavdil ben Kodesh L'chol. He said that the way that Ula made Havdalah was Hamavdil ben Kodesh L'chol. Amar le, so his father said to him, Rav Renuse Damar v'Sararuse Damar. The arrogance of the master, meaning your own arrogance and your own pride, it caused the master, meaning it caused that we're not going to say this halacha in your name. This halacha is now going to be said in Abaye's name instead of your name because you did not personally go. Meisvei, so the Gemara asks a question, Kol habrachas kulan, it says, by all brachas, poseach bebarach v'chosem bohen bebarach. All brachas begin with the word baruch, and they end with the word baruch, meaning a typical long bracha will start off with the word baruch, and then at the end you'll have a chasima, which is like baruch ato Hashem, you end the bracha. With the following exceptions, chutz mi birchas mitzvahs, with the exception of a birchas ha-mitzvahs, let's say you say al natilas lulav, you just say one baruch, you don't say twice. Ubirchas ha-peiros, brachas that you make on fruit. Ubracha hasmucha lechaverta, also if you have one bracha next to another, so then it doesn't start with a baruch. Ubracha achrona shebekriya shema, and also the last bracha of kriya shema, again that bracha as well, it does not start with baruch. Sheyesh mehen poseach bebaruch vein chosim bebaruch, of the brachas which we just listed, some of them might start with baruch, but they don't have a chasima with baruch. V'yesh mehen shechosim bebaruch vein poseach bebaruch. Some of them will end with the baruch, but they won't start with the baruch. For example, again, bracha smuch l'chaverta, it ends with baruch, but they actually don't start with baruch. V'atov v'ameite poseach bebaruch vein chosim bebaruch. And the Gemara says the bracha of atov ve'ametiv in benching, so it starts with the word baruch, but it doesn't end with the chasim of baruch. And the idea over there is, even though it seems to be smucha l'chaverta, it follows another bracha, it's the last in the series of brachas of benching, nevertheless it starts with baruch because it's considered a bracha by itself. It's considered an independent bracha, and we'll continue with this discussion in the next video on Daf Kufhei Amud Aleph.